Okay, so day 2 of the biking trip. Here's Thorstein getting ready for his bike.
Alright, day 2. Fingers crossed.
Oh yes.
Hello and welcome back to our road trip through Vietnam. Today we're driving from Bac Ninh near Hanoi all the way down to Halong Bay. So, this is day 2 of our journey. We started early the previous day. Now we're out to find some fuel.
På gasstationen. Där borta. Och så må vi runt tillbaka igen här. Okay.
So, to get to the gas station we had to drive quite a bit longer than the actual distance. This is because there is a lot of one-directional roads here in Vietnam.
Yeah, as you can see on the map. Now, we're about to show you an authentic Vietnamese gas filling experience.
Hello.
Alright.
Thank you very much.
Off we go. Off we go.
So, at first we found the traffic to be a little bit intimidating.
But you get to see authentic things like these women selling potatoes along the road in these conical hats.
Yeah, and the view was pretty nice as well.
Not here though.
Biggest gas station ever.
Alright, so we have driven for 30 minutes or so.
Yes.
We are 2 hours away from Halong Bay, but it will probably take us 3.
But now it's a straight way.
Yes.
We're out of this city.
Yeah. And we found a place with a lot of potatoes.
Yeah.
So, driving along the highway in Vietnam, you don't need to worry about fuel, as there are lots of gas stations along the way.
But the toilets there may be of varying conditions.
Okay. About halfway.
There you go. Thorstein, you gotta get this. And also, there's the fancy toilet that I will show you in another clip. Stay tuned.
Maybe.
So, out in the open in Vietnam, we have found this fancy toilet with self-flushing pissoirs and sensor wash. Woo!
So, as we were driving, there was no problem to find food along the way. There are lots of little small shops as well as some bigger chains. However, we did find that out in the more rural areas, the people did not speak very much English.
Okay, so on our way to Halong Bay, we have found this restaurant in a random place. And I've ordered, what is it, Thorstein?
Yogurt shake.
Oh yes. Really nice. So, let's get further.
So, after trying out some local food, we were finally starting getting closer to Halong Bay, as you can see on this sign.
And Jens with a GoPro
Yes.
bike. Probably the last stop perhaps. And maybe one more before we reach Halong Bay.
About 30 kilometers left.
Yes.
Starting to see this Halong signs along the way.
Yes, and it's starting to smell more like the sea.
So now we'll try to find a toilet. mission accomplished. Okay, so I will try to review this toilet too, and we can maybe do a comparison with this and the other one, with this, yeah, the other one which was really fancy. Thorstein is satisfied.
Finally, only took us 3 hours.
So overall, I'm pretty happy with this toilet. But overall, I think the other one was a little bit better. Thank you.
Thankfully, you don't need to pay toll while driving through these toll stations in Vietnam while driving a motorbike, as you can just take these little side roads. We didn't see any police or any checkpoints stopping us either. Here you can see us starting to approach Halong City on this big road.
And Thorstein trying to speed up and pass Jens. Did not go very well.
Some guy, random guy passing you again. Today Jens has been filming so much that he needs to change the battery. Yes. We are finally technically in Halong Bay after driving all day. See you later.
So we noticed that the bikes down here were driving at the sidewalk, so we decided to try this out as well, as you could see. And now we're getting into the city of Halong, which we had to drive through to get to our hotel, where the traffic is pretty intense.
Yeah, as you can see in Jens's illustration here, it was a lot of back and forth and around and yeah.
Everywhere.
I've also written an article about activities in Halong Bay and the city itself. You can check it out in the description if you want to see some stuff you can do on your trip to Halong Bay. Anyway, as we're making our way through this madness, we will now show you a really nice hotel for the night.
Oh yes.
Very good first impression. Indeed.
Fun.
We live in 5, heading on to the room. So the room, I have learned to be quiet in getting in the hotel. First thing got mad at me, 506. Da, 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 da. Wow, very nice, yes.
Keep filming.
Just a quick film before we will review it further tomorrow.
Maybe this is all.
Maybe.
Depends on how tired we are.
It may be what you get, so soak it in.
And this is called the Halong Hotel. It's located over the bridge and like another 5 minutes in the middle of Halong Bay.
Yes.
We only paid under 500,000 Vietnamese.
Yeah, it's a really good price, I think.
Yes.
So if it delivers like this, it will be, we will review it very good. And here is our view. So yeah, I guess you can get better than this, but it's nice. Construction over here. Maybe when you check into this hotel, this may be done, this building.
Huge shower.
Look. Oh yes, it's this
Oh yeah.
finally one that works.
Oh, that sound.
Oh, we're standing in this element.
Getting my fix.
And also something really cool we want to show you.
Alright, thanks for watching.
Peace.
Subscribe.